Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to take you through Shrinkearn Com, which is a URL shortening service that allows you to make money when people click on your shared links. So I'm going to take you through exactly what this is. We'll go through the dashboard and then I'll talk to you through the method overall and explain to you why maybe this isn't the greatest idea if you're serious about running a business online. So guys, as usual, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products and services just like this one. And the idea of the reviews is that you just get a little bit more information before you decide to use any type of product or service online. So just before we begin, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I can let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, what is Shrinkearn.com? Now basically this is a very simple service that you can use to shorten your URLs. So if I wanted to come along and say share an article, I could come along and find an article to share, and then I could use this to shorten the link. So let's go ahead and do this. So I just jumped into Google and I just want to know about keto diets. I'll come down to here. I'm going to hit this article and I think this is a great article and I want to share this with all of my friends. So I can come along here and I can actually use this to shorten this link. If I do that and shorten the link, I come up with this shorten link, which is the idea is I can share this link, and when I do, I will earn some money. And I'm going to show you how I would actually earn money here. I would come along here and just put that in Google. This is what I actually get before somebody goes over to this article here. Now remember, I was actually going to share them a keto diet article, and what happens before they can even get there is that all of this suddenly comes on the screen. So I have this notification come up here, I have these weird notifications come down here with some news stories, and then I have to go through these hoops. So for some reason there's some weird dating stuff up here, law and insurance, health and fitness, law attorney, all these are linked back to adverts, right? And the idea is that I'd have to go through this sequence of events before I can even get to the article that I wanted to go ahead and share. So if you went ahead and shared this with any of your friends or your audience, what do you think the likelihood of them actually going through this kind of rigmarole is to get to the actual page you want to share? Not very likely, is it, guys? If I just come down here, if I just click this now, this is going to try and download a program onto my PC. I'm obviously not going to do that. I could play this here. Again, it's going to try and download a program from the Chrome web onto my PC. I have to hit I'm not a robot here, and then I have to go ahead and continue, and it comes me onto this advert. I haven't even got to the page that I wanted to get to yet. So this is a very poor way to actually treat your audience if you want to go ahead and start sharing links. I still can't see on here, guys, how I am going to get to this destination page, which is what I originally asked it to do. So obviously at very first look, this does not look like a great way to be sharing your links with people. Now if you jump inside the actual dashboard itself, you'll see here I have the usual statistics about sharing my links, and there's also kind of some warnings here about how to share your links on Facebook and Instagram, because what this is basically doing, guys, as you can plainly see by this page, is it's creating multiple types of spam for your audience to go ahead and click on. So basically they know that once they go and start putting these links onto anything like Facebook or Instagram, they're just going to be taken off, or they're going to be closed down before you get a chance for anybody to actually click them. Facebook and Instagram are not going to allow this type of link. The kind of way around it is they're using this program called eTextPad, which is building text that to try and hide this link. So again, you're trying to hide something that you clearly know is very unethical. So you come in here and you can go on this YouTube video, and this is going to explain to you how you can actually share these link earns on Facebook and Instagram. And basically this guy is going to go through and tell you the workaround for sharing them. So guys, if you're actually serious about building a business, having this type of workaround just to share a few links is not going to work in the long term. It's really poor. So the other thing you have on here is a way you can make some money through referrals. So if you refer this service to anybody else, you get 20% of anything that they earn, and of course you will earn money when people click on these links if they do. I'm going to show you how much the payouts actually are. So you will actually earn money if somebody comes along and clicks on this link, and I'll get a referral if you decide, if you, one of my friends or one of my fans decides to start using this service. I would never share this service to anybody who isn't any way connected with me, but this is the way you can actually refer other folks. Now what you will find with these types of guys is these sites are duplicated multiple times across the internet to capture as many poor folks as possible, because most people won't stay with these folks very long. I'm no doubt these guys pay out. I haven't really seen any evidence to say they don't pay out any kind of good money, but these sites are duplicated across the internet. Now, a reason I know that is because there's one here called click.sh, very similar looking site. If you go inside click.sh, it's exactly the same interface. Another very similar site is shrinkme.io, and again, very similar interface. This is a slightly older version. Then you got this Linksby. Again, if I go to Linksby, this is another site that they have. Very similar interface. This seems to be a more modern one. And all you need to do is go through the actual front page here, and you will see that these are exactly the same front pages, each of these sites. So guys, these are being duplicated all over the internet. They're trying to capture as many people as possible because their user base isn't going to stick around very long, because usually what happens is they'll share a couple of these links and people will unsubscribe or leave their friends list very quickly when they realize that somebody that they used to trust is trying to spam them with this type of adverts. So guys, let's look at the payouts. Let's see how much this would actually earn you if you decided to go down this route. Earning per 1,000 views, if I look at something like UK, is going to be $7. And then you come down to the United States, it's going to be around $7. Greenland, for some reason, it's $20. So if you live in Greenland, you can make some money out of this. And then it goes down and down, and go to places like India, it's more like $3.50. So you need a heck of a lot of traffic to be clicking on your links to actually earn any kind of decent money out of this, and you are going to be sending thousands of clicks to pages that are like this. So guys, I don't think you're going to make any money out of this whatsoever. I think these types of services are very spammy, and you need to keep away from them. Now, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build any kind of business online and actually start making money, I would actually go down the affiliate marketing route. Affiliate marketing is the way that you can actually earn money by actually recommending other people's products and services. It's a great way to earn money. You don't need to carry inventory, you don't need to handle any kind of delivery, you don't have to handle customer service. It's just an ideal way for anybody who's brand new to start making money online. Now, if you want to learn how to build a business using affiliate marketing, go ahead and click the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I got a completely free course there that'll take you through the whole process step by step. I hope those are valuable to you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. I'll speak to you soon.